A $355 million judgment and other punitive penalties in the New York civil fraud trial against former President Donald Trump, his sons, and the Trump Organization would hurt their New York state businesses, but not fatally, certainly not immediately. The verdict and its possible impact on Trump's corporate empire are still being analyzed, but here's what we know. Trump and his sons Donald Jr. and Eric will be barred from holding officer or director positions at their New York-based firms for 3 and 2 years, respectively. Judge Arthur Engoron ruled Friday in a case brought by New York State Attorney General Letitia James against Trump and his businesses for filing misleading financial statements to get loans and insurance at favorable rates. Trump and the Trump Organization cannot borrow from New York State chartered financial institutions for 3 years. Trump continues to own businesses, but he and his family are blocked off from running and sustaining them, said Will Thomas, Ross School of Commercial Assistant Professor of Commercial Law at the University of Michigan. Their control channels have reduced dramatically. Ross said the paper verdict strikes me as a really dramatic lock on his ability to access capital. It could have been worse. In addition, losing their state business certificates would have barred them from operating their multiple New York limited liability businesses. Trump may have been permanently prohibited from New York state real estate, as James thought. The Pulitzer Prize-winning writer and author of 3 Trump books David K. Johnston stated, "The basic line is the New York Attorney General's office got the money, but not the permanent restrictions on the Trump businesses that they wanted." An impartial monitor, chosen by the court in 2022, and a new independent compliance director, will oversee the Trump Organization under the final verdict. The ruling said the monitor will work for no less than 3 years. Judge Engoron did not cancel the Trump's business certificates due to the new governance structure, since there would be 2-tiered oversight by an independent monitor and an independent director of compliance of important operations that could lead to fraud. Business license cancellation is no longer essential, he stated in the order. Trump will likely appeal the ruling.